In this video explains how to create Bitget account step by step. Even if it's your first time using a cryptocurrency exchange, you can easily sign up by following this video. First, install and run the Bitget app. After clicking continue and then get start, enter the most important referral code here before inputting your email address. Click here and then manually enter the code displayed on the screen. You can also copy and paste the code from the description box below the video. You must enter the code to receive a 50% discount on transaction fees and various bonus benefits. Now enter the email address you will use. Check the terms and click the Next button. For the second term, after clicking, scroll down to activate the Agree button. Now click Next. Complete the puzzle and check your email inbox. The verification code sent from Bitget has arrived. Copy this code and paste it into the Bitget app. Set your password and click Next. Now proceed with identity verification to trade on Bitget. This process takes about 7 minutes and requires an ID card or passport issued by the government. Click the Verify button and press it once more. Allow camera access, select your country of residence, then click here to choose the type of ID to be used for identity verification and press the button below. If your ID is ready, click Ready and then press Take a Picture to capture the front of your ID. Check the photo and click Confirm. Capture the back in the same way. If you have checked the back photo, click Confirm and then click Next. Next is the selfie verification. Press Start, select your residence area, and then click Continue. If you look straight ahead according to the on-screen instructions, the shooting will be completed. Once this process is finished, the identity verification review will begin. Typically, the review is completed within an hour, and if you pass, you can check the verified mark in this profile. After clicking the icon in the top left corner, now finally we will proceed with security. Authentication for account safety. Click the arrow and then go to the Security tab. Click on Google Authenticator. Press the button to install the Google Authenticator app. Once the installation is complete, return to Bitget. Click Next and copy your issued 16-digit key. After launching the Google Authenticator app, press the plus button and enter the setup key. Copy the key to your key, paste it, enter the account name as Bitget, and then click the Add button. A 6-digit authentication code that changes every 30 seconds will be generated. Remember the number, then return to Bitget and enter it, and then click Next. An authentication code will be sent to your email. Enter the sent verification code. Then the security settings will be completed like this. Now the Bitget registration and all account settings are complete. You can start trading at the Bitget by depositing or sending coins. If the video was helpful, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.